Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Askar. My father name is Muhammad Akbar. I belong to elementary. My respectable teacher name is Salim Ram. Today my topic is regarding e-commerce. So the question is, what is e-commerce? According to my knowledge, it defined as electronic marketing, which is done by electronic means such as computer, mobile phone, telephones, etc., etc. So it was the simplest education which I know. Now the e-commerce is a very vast platform, and everyone can do and manage their e-commerce business very easily. So there are a lot of types. I'll describe four of them. Four of them major types, which are B2B, which means business to business; B2C, which stands for business to consumer; C2C, which stands for consumer to consumer; and C2B, which stands for consumer to business. The first one is B2B. It's the simplest business which can be done, which is done between business to business. For example, Dell. Intel company sells microprocessor to Dell, and the second example is Heinz company sells ketchup to McDonald's. The second one is B2C, which stands for business to consumer. It's like business companies or business companies sold a lot of things to its major consumers or customers. For example, Dell company sells laptop to general consumer. And the next one is consumer to consumer. It allows private individual to do their business on a lot of websites, such as on Amazon. Just like, for example, there is a person A and B. A sells their merchandise or goods to person B. So it's called C2C. Now the fourth one is C2B, which stands for consumer to business. It's like C2B, and their perfect example is freelancing. Freelancers are those people who sells their services or goods to business firms or business companies. So it was the types of e-commerce which I know about. According to my knowledge, it was the major topics about major types of e-commerce. Now I am going to tell advantages of e-commerce. There are a lot of advantages of e-commerce. I am describing four of them now. The first one is, it's easy to find products and as well as buy products very easily. And number two is, second one is, there is no physical interaction, which means there is no need of going outside and buy products from physical shops. And the third one is, you can do payments through your credit cards, debit cards, and a lot of cards like MasterCard, Visa card, etc., etc. The fourth one is, everyone can manage and do their e-commerce business like from 18 years to old age. So these are the advantages of e-commerce. Now I'm going to tell about disadvantages of e-commerce. There are a few disadvantages of e-commerce which I am here to describe. The first one is, there is a high risk of credit card number theft. For example, one of my friend ordered a watch from Amazon, and he did the payment through his credit card. Next morning, he get notification that a huge amount has been deducted from his account. The second one is, there are a lot of people who cannot use mobile phones, laptops, like they are illiterate. So that is the second disadvantages of e-commerce. The third one is, in a lot of remote areas and villages, there are no electricity and internet as well. So they are not able to connect to the world very easily. So these are the disadvantages and advantages of e-commerce. Now the question is, how to start and manage your e-commerce. It's very easy to start and manage your e-commerce business. It's like you can learn from a lot of websites such as Enablers, Khan Academy, YouTube Creators Academy, and so on and so forth. So my personal favorite is Enablers, because their website are easy to easy to use, and their interface is very easy. So these are the points, advantages, disadvantages which I wanted to deliver to you. I hope you like it. If you like it, then comment about it, share it. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching.